The conditional probability P of B given A is equal to the joint probability P of A and B divided by the marginal probability P of A. Now, when we cross multiply, we get P of A and B is equal to P of A times P of B given A. This is known as the general multiplication rule. D is going to be the event that the member selected is a Democrat, and S the event that the member selected is a senator. We need the probability that a randomly selected member is a Democratic senator. So it's P of D and S. We know that P of D given S is equal to P of S and D, the joint probability, divided by P of S, the marginal probability. When we cross multiply, P of S and D will be equal to P of S times P of D given S. I will just multiply. P of S and D will be equal to P of S, and P of S is 0.187 multiplied by P of S given D, which is 0.49. P of S and D is equal to 0.09163. So P of S and D is equal to 9.2%. We're going to let W be the US women, and P of W is 52%. D is going to be the US adults who suffer from holiday depressions. So P of D given W is equal to 44%. Suffering from holiday depression given that you are a woman. Probability of suffering from holiday depression given that you are a woman, 44%. So the probability of suffering from holiday depression given that you're a woman, it's the probability of D and W, the joint probability, divided by the probability of being a woman, PW. So the joint probability, that's what we're looking for, will be equal to the conditional probability multiplied by the marginal probability. So P of D and W will be equal to P of D given W Adults who suffer from holiday depression, given that they are a woman, multiplied by the probability of being a woman. And the result is 22.88%.